Good afternoon, seventh graders. What I'm going to go over on this video is the digital version of making a monster. If you wanted to use this digital to create your monster that you created with the flipping of the coin, genotype and phenotype identification, you can use this one as an example, or you could hand draw it and use colored pencils, whichever you would like. So I kind of got you started with this activity with some traits on there. So when I flipped mine and I found my eye color, or my eye shape, I found it was two small eyes that were red. So what I've done on this one is, over on this side, let me make this screen a little bit bigger, is I have made some of these examples for you. Okay, so I came up with two small red eyes. And then skin color is blue. Okay, and maybe I went through and I found that I had a gray horn that I can, two horns on it that I can put on there. You can use these to kind of get you started. I just did horns and eye color, and then you have to come up with a shape with it. So maybe you could do a maybe this is your shape of your person or your creature. Skin color is blue. Maybe you want to change that blue to like this blue. But you can use these tools that kind of got you started to help you digitally create. Send this, send backward, send to the back. Kind of get you started with creating your monster using Google Drawing by inserting shapes. You can use shapes that way. You could search for images, searching the web. We can use those as well too. But remember, you are just matching up with your phenotype from your Make a Monster lab to use on this Google Drawing. It is your choice which option you want to do. You can color it and draw it in, or you could use this Make a Monster Google Drawing, whichever works for you.